Welcome to the month of December here at Lichtsinn RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. In case you missed it last month during our monthly live interactive presentation, we winterized live here in our marketing studio a 2020 Winnebago Travato 59KL, as well as a 2020 Winnebago View 24D. We also took all of your questions live. In case you missed it, be sure to check out those live archived recordings in our video library on Lichtsinn.com. Also, next Wednesday, December 18th at 2 o'clock Central, our December live interactive presentation will be all about Winnebago's camper van lineup. We'll have all three models of the Winnebago B-Van class camper van lineup here in our studio to cover the most frequently asked questions from you, our guests. And of course, we'll take all of your questions live on the Winnebago B-Van camper lineup.
Hi everyone, Jason here at Lichtsinn RV in Forest City, Iowa. It's wrap up the deals, wrap up the year with our 2019 year-end Winnebago clearance sale. For a limited time, you can save thousands on select Winnebago models. These models will include our 2020 Winnebago Travato 59K in the granite exterior, the 2020 Winnebago Vita 24P and 24F models, along with remaining 2019s such as the Aspect 27K in the coffee exterior, the Winnebago Vista 29VE with the exterior tailgate package, and the Winnebago Forza 38F. So save thousands with our year-end Winnebago clearance inventory sales, and happy holidays.
Hi, I'm Hannah, the sales manager here at Lichtsinn RV. Stay tuned because starting today, December 12th, we're going to feature the 12 days of motorhome. So each day we will be posting a new Winnebago showing new features and products from Winnebago. Stay tuned to our Facebook posts as well as the link on our homepage of litzsinnrv.com to see that daily featured RV.
Merry Christmas from the Lichtsinn RV Service Department.
Happy holidays from your finishing team here at Lichtsinn RV.
Happy holidays from the Lichtsinn RV Parts Department.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from the elves in the Service Department.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from the Business Office and Accounting Department here at Lichtsinn RV. Happy holidays!
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from the Lichtsinn RV sales team.
From all of us here at Lichtsinn RV, we wish you a very happy holiday season this year.
And that's a wrap for December. From everyone here at Lichtsinn RV, we wish you, your family, and friends season's greetings and a Happy New Year.